Science Museum.
Yay! It's scary.
So much music.
Jacob, excuse you.
It's poop to Jakey.
Is that funny? All right, where are we going?
The Science Museum.
Yay! I came here when I was younger. Most of my family hasn't gone, but I remember it being a lot of fun, so let's go. Oh, now it shows nothing. Oh, there it is. There's Michael. Over here. I bet you could have built something like this.
I used to have.
We have a miniature version of this at our house.
Yeah, I used to have. Yeah, if I remember correctly, it took him like 42 hours in total.
Wow.
2 months to assemble it all. 2 months.
It's just totally connects though. So I use connects too.
Isn't that cool?
Oh.
A 9-year-old built this. That's how old you are. You're a 9-year-old. Yeah, you want to build one of these? You see the lights? There's lights above us.
Masters of mimicry, not masters of camouflage. So, what's the difference?
Oh, we found a body area. All about the human body. Oh, these they have weight. It's how much you eat compared to how much you exercise. You have to jump rope for 60 whole minutes to burn off all this food.
Wow.
Yeah, did you find some broccoli? And fish. It's all important for a nutritious diet. Salad. You love salad. Alright, start pedaling, Jacob. You can make these balls blow. His feet can't quite reach. He's trying though. Alright, let's see you go, babe. How's your metabolism? You have to pedal so hard to burn off a salad. Oh.
Burn off a salad?
Oh, there you go. Your metabolism's going. There it goes.
They have a roll. Ow, my knees are too.
You're too big. It's a little play lab. Oh, how fun is this? Yeah, that's so fun. This is the monster stomach. This is what your stomach looks like. That's right, your stomach. You want to walk on that? Might be a little wobbly. Oh, what is that? It's like spongy. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's like a springy floor. Wanna hold my hand? Yeah? Hey! Look at you go! Woo! Whoa! You just like to press buttons and see screens. Look at that giant nose! Oh, it sneezed. Is that funny? The nose sneezed at you. This is how zits are formed. Oh, that's gross. Open this one. Get it like a grown-up sneeze on you. I got you. Oh, it sprayed on you too, didn't it? Gets ya. Here, open up this door, Elisabeth. Jacob likes it. Oh, oh, that one sprayed her. Watch. Oh, Jacob likes it. Here, watch her sneeze on Daddy. Ready? No. Little puff of air got me.
Oh,
She's laughing. Is that funny? Did I get sneezed on? Can't believe it. He didn't want to leave. He got such a kick out of getting sneezed on. Go, Elisabeth, go. Woo! You picked up the pace on that one. All right, big step. Good job.
Yes, awesome. Nice purple butterflies. We enjoy those.
Ooh.
What
Oh,
about this
you
one?
press some buttons and it
This
makes
one's good.
it light up. Oh, that's over here. What is it? You smell cookies.
There we go.
When you smell
Keep that
cookies,
butterfly.
that's the part of the brain that
This one?
lights up. How about that?
Alrighty.
What about if you're hungry?
And
Then
what about
that's
this one?
right over there. What if
Why not?
you're, what is this? You try to decide whether or not to steal a cookie.
Still only a little bit orange though.
Okay,
It
that's
just
okay.
seems like a purple butterfly that had a little bit of an accident. Dipped its wings in some paint or something. What do you think?
That's how your brain works.
Heather, you want to give it a try? You sure?
Take a brain break. It's like nice and quiet in here or something. You found some shapes. Ooh, a brain. Oh, it says warning, this contains actual human remains. That's a real human brain? No way.
It forgot to be purple at all. But it's still the trial of the
You just love the lights, huh? The lights are so much fun.
Didn't like butterflies.
Yeah, you love this kind of stuff.
Cardiovascular system.
Ooh, that's all about the heart pumping. This looks like the skeletal system.
He likes the zit and the sneeze.
It keeps sneezing on you. You think that's so funny? Yeah, you gotta put the balls inside the nose. Oh, see, it stayed up there. Then you have to press the button. You want me to press the button? Okay, here we go. Press the button. Sneeze! It's not working. It's supposed to sneeze. Ooh, chew! Oh, there it sneezed. Ha! It sneezed on me. Put these shapes back. That's right, that's a square. Oh. That's okay, it just made a noise. Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt you. You don't like that noise? Okay, alright, you don't have to do it. You want me to do it? Okay, this is the triangle. Oh, you're just walking away. Something not so scary. You're gonna have to go do it. It's scary. Okay, we won't do it. Alright, Jacob's coming down the slide. Oh, it's a stinky slide. Whoa, there he is. It makes some interesting noises when he goes down the stomach slide. Oh my. Woo, Jacob, excuse you.
It's poop to Jakey.
Is that funny? Did that stomach toot while he came down? Here. You don't want to go down? It scares Elisabeth. Oh wow, that's a stinky slide. Look, face. You see a baby face? That's a baby face. How about the baby heart? Is there a baby heart in there? What about the head? You see the baby head? Yeah, there's a head. you're learning about the liver?
It manufactures blood proteins.
You have a liver in you.
Iron for red blood
It's right around there.
cells. Serves as a storehouse for
Learning disabilities. What's that kind of thing? There's a big old puzzle on the ground. Ooh, this is fun.
So much music.
They took out F.
Oh, it is backwards.
See, this is a different type of scale. With they take out F and I think it's B because with just the other notes, like no sharps, just without F and B, you can play any song that sounds good without
Alright, as a continuation of Michael's birthday, we're now coming to Uptown Jungle, a trampoline and fun park for the kids to go play. Alright, let's go in. She is just squealing with delight. So excited. Yes, I'll get his socks on. Alright, go play, have fun. Alright, go play. Go up. Yay! Good job, Jacob. Here she comes. Whee! I could do this for hours. You having fun?
I love you. Oh, here they come. Nice. Ready, set.
Jacob, not that way. You gotta go this way. Go this way. There you go. And then you go up. She found the zip line. Woo! That was fun. You went fast. You're having a blast. Slow and steady. Looks like they're gonna play dodgeball. Michael's taking part in it.
That kid's out, you're out, you're out.
Nice, Michael got him. Hey, what does this button do? Whoa! All the balls came down.
Let's take special steps together.